Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video on Mr. Tech. Today, we're embarking on a journey to explore some of the largest and most awe-inspiring machines in the world. Join us as we delve into their incredible size, power, and the remarkable feats they accomplish. Let's dive right in. Number 1. The Sleipner E550 transport system is an incredible innovation for excavators, weighing 401 to 565 tons. This system enables speeds up to 10 km/h, reducing the wear on undercarriages. It's straightforward to operate. Just drive onto the dollies, turn around, place the bucket on the truck bed, and you're off. This patented system is currently used worldwide in mining and other sectors where mobility is essential, making excavator re-lock. Number 2. The Bell AZ 75710, hailing from Belarus, is the world's largest heavy-duty truck, designed for the mining and construction industries. Measuring over 20 meters long, 10 meter high, and 8 meter wide, it truly dominates. It packs 11,000 horsepower, equivalent to 7 Bugatti Chirons, powered by 2 Siemens MTU DD16 VA V4000 diesel engines, each with 65 L capacity and 16 cylinders, producing a combined 6,528 horsepower. With 18,626 Nm torque and 1,300 LAW or 100 km fuel consumption, it can carry up to 450 tons. Despite its size, it features automatic fire suppression and cameras for safety and efficiency. Its 12-track undercarriage ensures stability and maneuverability, making it a symbol of industrial excavation efficiency. Number 4. Introducing the powerhouse in mining equipment, the P&H 4100 XPC AC mining shovel. With a dipper capacity of 69 to 82 cubic yards and a production rate of 8,735 to 11,513 tons per hour, it's designed for maximum efficiency. Its twin-leg handle ensures stability and precise digging, while advanced dipper technology and P&H adaptive controls optimize performance and minimize downtime. Equipped with durable mining-duty motors and advanced transmissions, it handles the toughest materials effortlessly, boosting productivity and reducing operational costs in mining operations. Number 5. The Nexat is a groundbreaking machine in agriculture. Powered by two 550 HP diesel engines, it's future-ready for green hydrogen fuel cells. Each module integrates perfectly, making it a self-propelled machine, reducing fuel consumption and CO2 emissions. Nexat sets new crop production standards. The Nexco harvesting module boosts throughput by over 50% compared to traditional combines. Its unique straw distribution eliminates extra steps, allowing year-round controlled traffic farming, CTF. With widths from 6 to 24 meters, up to 95% of the arable area remains undriven, maximizing yield and protecting the environment. Number 6. The Komatsu D575A3 is a giant in the construction world. Known as one of the largest and most powerful bulldozers, it can handle the toughest terrains. Weighing 152 tons and stretching 12.5 meters long, it's equipped with a Komatsu SA12 V1 Darn 70E2 diesel engine that delivers an incredible 1,150 horsepower. This beast can move at speeds up to 13 km/h and tackle massive material loads with ease. Its advanced control system and safety features ensure both efficiency and safety for operators and the environment. It's an engineering marvel priced at $550,000. Number 7. The P&H L2350 wheel loader is a marvel in surface mining, holding the Guinness World Record for biggest earth mover. It can center-load haul trucks with up to 360-ton capacities and offers a 73-ton payload, 7.03-meter lift height, and 3.5-meter reach. Weighing 266.62 tons, it's powered by a 16-cylinder diesel engine delivering 2,300 horsepower. Its standard bucket holds 40.52 moy to 3, and it features a 3,974-liter fuel tank. The tires are equally impressive with a 4-meter diameter and 1.78-meter width. Priced at $1.5 million, this machine is essential for large-scale mining operations. Number 8. Explore the XCMG XE7000, a powerhouse in excavation. Boasting a massive 673,000 kilo operating weight and dual 1193 kilowatt engines, it handles any job effortlessly. The intelligent control system and robust structure ensure peak performance and durability. From its spacious, climate-controlled cabin to innovative safety features, every detail is crafted for efficiency and operator comfort. Truly a masterpiece of modern excavation technology. Number 9. The Big Bud 16V747 tractor is an engineering masterpiece. With an impressive length of 8.5 meters, width of 6.4 meters, and height of 4.2 meters, it weighs a massive 48 tons. Its 16-cylinder diesel engine delivers a powerful 900 horsepower, making it the largest tractor in the world. Built in 1978 and costing $300,000, it continues to support farmers by saving time, effort, and costs, while enhancing productivity and ensuring top-notch quality. This 36-year-old giant is truly a remarkable machine. Number 10. Discover the Caterpillar 6090FS. With dual Cummins QSK60 engines delivering 4,500 HP, it conquers tough challenges effortlessly. Its precise control and energy-efficient design, along with advanced features like electric lubrication and centralized injection, ensure durability and minimal downtime. Perfect for heavy-duty operations, this machine offers unmatched reliability and efficiency. Number 11. Step into the operator's seat of the O&K Terex RH400, where safety meets innovation in excavation. With a focus on operator comfort and safety, this machine features a spacious cabin with ergonomic controls and xenon working lights for enhanced visibility. Its electronic hydraulic servo control and automatic central lubrication system ensure smooth operation and reduced fatigue during long shifts. Equipped with a comprehensive safety system and torque control, it's engineered to prevent accidents and ensure operational efficiency. Number 13. Kobelco Large SK3500D Demolition Machine, with a working height of 65.03 bow meters, is the largest in the world. This machine is designed for dismantling. This beast stands 213 feet tall and can take down a 21-story building with ease. With a reach of 72 feet and a speed of 1.1 km/h, it's designed for precision and safety. The mechanical claw is like a giant crab claw, and nothing stands a chance against it. The assembly on site is straightforward, and once it's up and running, it can demolish tall buildings effortlessly. Number 14. The Tesmec 1475XL Evo Trencher is built for heavy-duty tasks. With its ability to dig up to 9 feet deep and 66 inches wide, this machine isn't just big, it's a powerhouse engineered for large-scale projects. The CAT C18 engine, coupled with advanced Trenchtronic 5.0 technology, ensures unparalleled performance and efficiency. Whether you're excavating in dirt or light rocky soils, the 1475XL Evo handles it with ease, delivering consistent results while saving time and effort. Next up, we have the massive Caterpillar 785D water truck, mounted on an innovative cargo system developed by NHH. Transporting such a colossal load usually requires road inspections and government permissions in many countries due to the potential damage to roads and bridges and the significant traffic disruptions it can cause. However, in Australia, transporters have a bit more flexibility. Thanks to the often vacant highways, moving this superload becomes a lot more manageable. Number 16. The Tesmec 1150X HD Rock Hog is a remarkable machine. Designed for continuous surface mining, it features a 10.3, 312 wide drum, making it perfect for bulk excavation in open-pit quarries. With a 50 metric ton class operating weight and a 440 HP engine, it's built for heavy-duty tasks. The elevating cab, hydraulic stabilizers, and Trenchtronic 3.0 system ensure top-notch performance and operator comfort. Number 17. Big Roy is a true legend in agricultural history. This unique concept tractor, built by Versatile in 1977, has been magnificently restored. Weighing in at 62,000 pounds with 8-wheel drive and a powerful 600 HP Cummins KTA 1150 engine, it's a beast. Hats off to Firestone for donating those massive 30.5x 32 tires. Number 18. With a weight of 32,000 kilos and a powerful CAT engine delivering 415 HP, the Locotrac LT200 HP is a heavy-duty machine built for tough jobs. The compact transport dimensions of the Locotrac LT200 HP make moving between sites a breeze. With the Nordberg HP200 cone crusher, it ensures high productivity and superior end product quality. Perfect for those looking to enhance their production efficiency. Number 19. Wow, the LR13000 is a true beast in the world of cranes. With a lifting capacity unmatched by any other conventional crawler crane, it's perfect for massive projects like power plant construction and refinery setups. It can handle weights up to 1,500 tons and columns 100 meters long. Plus, despite its enormous size, it can be transported cost-effectively around the world. Truly impressive engineering. Number 20. The Panther Series 2. Low loaders stand out with their payload range from 80,000 kilodum to 1,000 kilo, making them ideal for heavy-duty mining equipment. Designed for the harshest conditions, they feature seamless ramp-to-platform transitions, full-width ground contact for stability, and remote-controlled raising-lowering for safe operation. Plus, the integrated wet brake system and modular design ensure reliability and cost efficiency, perfect for autonomous operations. Number 21. The Chemrock DMW 220 is a beast for excavation, suitable for excavators in the 35-50 ton range. It offers cutting widths of 130, 200, and 400 millimeters. It delivers a max torque of 47,000 newton-meters at 380 bar and operates with oil flow rates up to 600 newton-meters. It's built to handle reinforced concrete with 30 millimeter rebar. The main unit weighs 2,650 kilos, the immersion aid 920 kilo, and the protective cover 180 kilos. Definitely a top-tier cutter wheel for tough jobs. Number 22. Next Bertha, the $80 million Titan crafted by Hitachi Zosen Sakai Works. Standing 326 feet long and weighing 6,700 tons, this colossal earth pressure balanced tunnel boring machine boasts a jaw-dropping 57.5 feet cutter head diameter. A marvel of engineering, Bertha reshaped Seattle's landscape, demonstrating precision and power in tunnel construction. Number 23, the CAT 8750 dragline, standing tall at 90 meters and weighing 71,200 tons. Pioneering the use of AC IGBT drive systems, this $20 million marvel redefines efficiency and safety in mining. Dive into its innovative design and see how it boosts productivity while ensuring operational predictability. Number 24. Epirock's 40V mobile miner is a game changer in underground excavation. This mobile miner is perfect for small to medium tunnels, providing a tunnel size of 4.00 x 4.0 meters. Its vertical cutter head ensures high precision, and it can achieve an advance rate of 10-15 meters per day based on rock type. It's a cost-effective solution that brings the power of a complete fleet to your project. Number 25, SPMT. Peabody Energy's 8 million pound dragline completed a historic journey from the company's Lee Ranch mine, northwest of Grants, New Mexico, more than 20 miles to its new home at the El Segundo mine. Transporting one of the world's most massive machines required precision and planning. The Bucyrus Erie 1570W dragline was carried across the high desert by a specialized 600-wheel vehicle. This is a platform heavy hauler with a large array of wheels, which is an upgraded version of a hydraulic modular trailer. SPMTs are used for transporting massive objects, such as large bridge sections, oil refining equipment, cranes, motors, spacecraft, and other objects that are too big or heavy for trucks. Ballast tractors can, however, provide traction and braking for the SPMTs on inclines and descents. Number 26. The Woodcracker CS780 is an impressive piece of forestry equipment, With a cutting diameter of up to 750 meters and a grapple opening of 1600 millimeters, it's perfect for safe tree removal and harvesting even in tough terrains like hills and swamps. It features continuous rotation with its tiltator, automatic tilt function for the cutting system, and a robust design made of hard-ox steel. Number 27, the Aardvark TBP 7000 is a beast of a machine. Its foldable drawbar and tandem swing arm make it easy to transport and store. The cutting blade's tilt and angle can be adjusted to suit your needs, and the GPSI laser brackets provide accurate leveling. With models ranging from 3.5 to 9 meters, it's ideal for various applications. This grader scraper planer is perfect for improving farm roads or constructing landing strips. Number 28. Continuous miners are the unsung heroes of the mining world. These powerful machines, with their rotating drums and carbide teeth, can mine up to 5 tons of coal per minute. They streamline the mining process with conveyor belts that transport coal automatically, all controlled remotely. This not only boosts productivity, but also enhances safety and reduces labor costs. For anyone in the mining industry, a continuous miner is an indispensable tool for maximizing efficiency and output. Number 29, the WorkGen SP25 Paver. This multifunctional paver can handle a variety of monolithic profiles up to 2.0 mm high and pave concrete surfaces up to 3.5 meter wide. With its hydraulic swing arms and telescoping crawler units, it offers exceptional flexibility. The advanced steering and control system ensures precise maneuvering, even in tight spaces. It also features stringline scanning and supports WorkGen Autopilot 2.0 and 3D applications for precise paving.